Join me as I dive into the world of Forex trading and put my skills to the test with proven tips for instant success. Forex trading can be a thrilling way to make money, but it's no secret that the market can be tough to crack. With so many traders vying for a piece of the action, it's easy to get lost in the shuffle. That's why it's crucial to have a solid game plan in place, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on today. One of the biggest hurdles traders face is emotional decision-making. It's easy to get caught up in the heat of the moment and make impulsive decisions that can cost you big time. Another challenge is the lack of a clear strategy. Without a plan, you're just winging it, and that's a recipe for disaster. Many traders also struggle with risk management, failing to set realistic limits and protect their investments. And then there's the issue of analysis paralysis, getting bogged down in complex charts and data. To overcome these obstacles, you need a proven approach. One key strategy is to focus on risk management. This means setting realistic limits and being disciplined about cutting your losses. Another essential tool is technical analysis, which can help you identify trends and make more informed trading decisions. A trading plan is also vital, outlining your goals, strategies, and risk tolerance. By having a clear plan in place, you'll be better equipped to navigate the markets and make smart decisions. One powerful tip that can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your goals is to focus on the process, not just the profits. Instead of getting fixated on making money, try to focus on making good trades. This means being disciplined, patient, and persistent. By doing so, you'll be more likely to achieve your goals and enjoy long-term success. Successful traders also tend to be adaptable, able to adjust their strategies as market conditions change. They often have a strong support system, whether it's a community of fellow traders or a mentor who can offer guidance. And they're always learning, staying up to date with market news and trends. In summary, by following these essential tips, risk management, technical analysis, and developing a trading plan, you'll be well on your way to achieving instant Forex trading success. Remember, trading is a journey, not a destination. If you've had any experiences with Forex trading, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more in-depth trading strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.